I'm Louise Taylor, I'm CPI's RNA Training Academy lead. I've worked for CPI for the last 9 years. I started off in the technical team, so my background's in downstream purification, but more recently I have moved over to work under the RNA Centre of Excellence. CPI are an innovation technology catalyst. We work between research and the industry to make sure that every idea has the best start. So we work on process development and scale up and manufacturing, and we're predominantly based in the northeast of England and Scotland. CPI's journey with RNA therapeutics is a really interesting one. Before the pandemic, we were already working with encapsulation and self-re-expression, which meant when the pandemic hit, the vaccine task force asked us to step in based on our experience. Since then, we've worked on a self-amplifying RNA vaccine. We have done process development and scale-up on that and really generated a lot of expertise in the area. We've established our RNA Centre of Excellence, so that encompasses not only our R&D development work, so we can develop a process, we can scale it up, and we also have our own platform processes which customers can input their own products into. We've got our RNA Centre of Excellence, which is a modular build, so we can generate GMP clinical material. And we also have our training academy. So the training academy is really here to bridge that skills gap that we have within the industry, and especially as RNA therapeutics has taken off so quickly, we need to make sure that we upskill the industry to make sure we can keep up with the demand.